Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Pragya Mishra and I'm the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. Courseplay is a 360-degree employee growth platform. We have Hemant Kumar Ravi, who's a seasoned HR leader with over 16 years of experience. He's currently driving HR strategy for Casa Grande, a leading real estate developer in India. Hi Hemant, so glad to
Hi.
have you here with us today.
Thank you. Thank you for hosting me. Looking forward to the candid conversation.
Do you feel it is both the employee and the organization's responsibility to ensure that the learnings are being applied somewhere? What are your views on this?
I'll give you good examples from the industries or companies I work for. Companies like Accenture, Wipro, they have very thorough process. So learning is intervention made during your career journey. So we talk about attract, retain, groom, and develop talent, right? And during this journey, learning, I'll put you into mid-level leadership program, top management leadership program, initial first line leadership program. So those intervention will be there. But beyond that, how we binary it or in tandem, what we do is a lot of in the job exercise we'll give, in basket exercise we'll give, role plays we will deliver. You'll be given a bubble assignment to work with the CEO, -1, -2 across function. Like say I was in HR, I was doing internships and projects in marketing, strategy, innovation for that matter. We worked with AI folks. Then I got data science certified. I worked with Scrum kind of project, did the program management. So I become a Scrum certified product owner. So the learning once earned has to be applied somewhere. The best way it has worked is get these kind of assignments and projects, because on the job learning is the most effective thing. Whatever you have learned, you have to apply.
Right.
Then only the knowledge becomes skill, because knowledge is you read it, study it, get certified, you have knowledge. Skill is you apply that thing as a proficiency level from P1 to P4, and then you become conversant with that skill. So what Accenture and other companies or we did work was we had career marketplace. So if I've learned certain skill, I can go and pick up liquid workforce assignment. My full-time job is whatever I'm doing today. HR head. Earlier I used to be TA professional, L&D, HRBP folk. But during that time, I can do projects which are bubble assignment anywhere from 4 hours to 40-hour nugget assignment. Catalyst is another, Catalant is another platform. It gives you a freelancing gig worker kind of assignment. So within company I can do, externally also I can do, right? So then I really apply those learning, and that becomes a kind of honed skill for me. So yeah, to answer to your question, yes,
Right.
the ownership lies with both the employee and the employer.